Click on the link below to get discount. The Sunny Health and Fitness fully assembled OneClick-Fold 20 Smart Treadmill with Auto is a remarkable addition to any home fitness setup. Designed with convenience and usability in mind, this treadmill is perfect for both beginners and seasoned runners. Right out of the box, the treadmill is fully assembled, which is a huge plus for those who dread the hassle of assembly. You simply need to unfold it, plug it in, and you're ready to go. One of the standout features of this treadmill is its 20-inch running surface, which provides ample space for a comfortable running or walking experience. The belt is well cushioned, minimizing impact on joints and making it suitable for users of different fitness levels. The treadmill also boasts a sleek and modern design, which makes it a stylish addition to your home gym. The OneClick-Fold feature is a game changer for those with limited space. This allows the treadmill to be easily folded up and stored away when not in use, making it incredibly convenient for apartments or smaller homes. Its compact footprint doesn't compromise on stability. The treadmill feels sturdy while in use, giving users confidence during their workouts. In terms of technology, the treadmill includes smart features that enhance the workout experience. The integrated Bluetooth connectivity allows you to sync your smartphone and track your workout metrics through the accompanying app. The LCD display is clear and easy to read, providing real-time data on speed, distance, time, and calories burned. Another notable aspect is the variety of preset workout programs designed to keep your exercise routine engaging. Whether you prefer interval training or steady-state cardio, there's an option for everyone. The machine runs quietly, which is perfect for those living in shared spaces. Overall, the Sunny Health and Fitness fully assembled OneClick-Fold 20 Smart Treadmill with Auto is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine without sacrificing space or convenience.